Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are lot of fine and good in your health. If you are new here, please like our channel and subscribe as well. Before continue today, we are going to discuss about 22 ways to make money as a web designer. Now, there are 22 different ways through which you can earn money as a web designer. In this video, I am going to discuss all these possible ways. You may have never considered how to make money as a web designer outside of building websites for clients. Today we are going to challenge that and help you get those creative juices flowing by looking at 22 ways web designers and make more money from their skills and interests. Number one method is work for a web design agency. Many web designers get into this business because they love design. If they doesn't interest you at all, working for a web design agency is a great option. In working for an agency, you got focus on what you love to do most and forget the rest. There are different pros and cons. What are the pros? The majority of your time is spent doing what you love, web design. You will likely be working with the team and not by yourself like you would if you were a freelancer or ran your own agency. You will have a set start and end time so you can leave your work at the office and the end of the day without worry. Now what are the consequences? You will be required to work the set hours your employer decides. You will not experience the same flexibility with your schedule as if you ran your own agency or work as a freelancer. The second method is work for a company as the in-house web designer. As an in-house web designer, your role will be to build out and maintain the company website. You will only be focused on the one website used by the company. This role will have very similar pros and cons as working for the agency. What are the pros? You will have consistent income you can rely on without the stress of rises and dips in your income. You will have a set of start and end time so you can leave your work at the office at the end of the day without worry. What are the consequences? You may miss the variety of working on different client projects. All of your income will be tied to this one employer. Number third method is work as a freelancer web designer. As a freelancer, you will experience all of the benefits and responsibilities that are required. Not only will you be able to work on projects that you love, while this will require additional tasks that you will not experience when working with an agency, you have a lot of flexibility over the types of projects to work on and how much or how little you are paid. The pros: do you have the ability to select only the clients you want to work with? You can choose the type of web design skill that you want to use and focus solely on what you enjoy the most. The consequences: if you do not enjoy lead generation or say there is a skill you need to develop in order to do well. As you are responsible for landing these, you may experience more inconsistent income until you develop a system that works for you. The fourth method is run a web design agency. As a web design agency owner, your primary job will be to bring in new clients and develop a team to help you handle the workload. Agency owners often enjoy speaking with clients, strategizing on a project and bringing a team together to create a successful project and get results for their clients. The fifth method is specialized in a particular web design service. Many web designers focus on particular service aspect of design which help them be very successful as they become known for that particular service. For example, some company provide PSD, HTML or PSD to WordPress services. Sixth method, outsource web design. Outsourcing some or all client work is a great way to be able to take on more client work without having to build an extensive team. For example, companies such as ManyPixel SEO reseller will handle the web design work for you and you can mark up the prices as much as you would like. Create profitable partnership. 7 method. Partnership can not only be a great lead generation strategy, they will help you increase your web design business revenue. The idea behind partnership is to identify other complementary freelancer companies who either provide complementary non-competing services such as SEO or other marketing and in some way to else refer clients. The eighth method is to become a web design writer. If you enjoy sharing your experience and knowledge with other web designers, becoming a web design writer is an excellent opportunity to get your name out and earn some extra income to the site. The 9 methods create a web design blog. If you really enjoy writing and want to do more of it, it may make sense to start your own design blog. The 10th method is become a theme or template developer. Most web designers rely on WordPress themes to build websites, especially those who do not know how to code or prefer not to. If coding is your thing, developing your own website theme or template is a good opportunity to increase the revenue. Become a plugin developer. Similar to developing a theme, you can also develop a plugin and our extension of our website that solve a particular problem. Number 12 method is sell digital files. As a designer, you can create and sell a variety of digital files like icons, PSD templates, UISs, graphics, fonts, ebook, documents. Create a web design course. Can sell your own website, building an audience around a particular topic. Alternative, if you do not want to spend as much time building an audience, there are some marquee places who will help bring the customers to you. Sell your clients, upsell your clients. The 14th method is upsell. There is no better way to increase your web design income than to sell your existing customer services such as website maintenance, web security, and Google Analytics and upgrades. 15 method is sell relevant services. A beautiful part of being a web designer is there are so many complementary services you can sell. These services can help the website owner with other relevant tasks that they need to promote their business. The 16th method is build a portfolio of websites. The idea behind building a portfolio website is to create websites over time that generate income for you. A great way to build your portfolio is to buy existing websites that already have traffic and audience and revenue that you know you can maintain or grow. Build and sell website. The ability to build websites. You can either build starter sites that give people a pre-built website that can turn into a business. The 18th method is flip website. We have all seen the house flipping shows on TV where a distressed property is purchased for a low price. The new owner fixes up the property to increase its value and then they turn out and sell for a higher price. This is the same premise for flipping websites. The 19th method is join web design affiliate program. We recently covered a lot of high quality of affiliate program for our web designers. The 20th method is write a book. Writing a book may not be your first through when it comes to making more money as a web designer. However, there can be a way to not only introduce potential clients. The 21 method is become a white label reseller. As a website reseller, you have an opportunity to white label relevant tools of other companies and brand them at your own. The 22nd method is resell hosting. All websites need hosting. That's news to no one here. This presents the opportunity for you to offer website hosting to all of your clients. Now, where to start as a web designer? Faster way to make money as a web designer is by serving clients. I look at several ways to serve clients here with you can start with. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.